everybody. It's the Sunday after I returned from my 2-week stay in Dorset for a holiday, which was all very nice, and I can tell you more about that later on, because obviously I visited Picorama, which was an amazing place, and much as I remembered it from 1976. So I'm using some new equipment, which you're probably seeing now on the screen, and that is a new camera, a Leica Velux 114, and a Rode microphone, which is one that plugs into the hot shoe socket. I'm using it on its maximum gain, but on its filter, so that it cuts out any rumble, because there's a little bit of noise from the camera. And today's subject will be push-pull, but we've covered that before, so what's different? Well, let's get on with the film and find out. Of push-pull trains, you probably conventionally think of a train like this. This is the Southern Maunsell type, pushed by a loco at the rear and then pulled back to its destination. But our departing train reveals another type of push-pull. This, for obvious reasons, is known as gate stock, and I recently acquired this London South Western BR liveried set. For a time it was in use on the Lyme Regis branch, and of course there was only really one locomotive to work with it. And that, of course, was the Adams Radial. The Adams Radial was never push-pull equipped, so it had to work the set of gate stock as a conventional 2-coach train and run round at each end. So let's recreate the Lyme Regis branch. Interestingly enough, I visited Lyme Regis recently. Once arrived at its destination, the Adams Radial will simply disconnect and run round its train for the return journey, which gives us an opportunity to have a look at the intricate gates on the stock. One gate per side on each coach. These form something of a curiosity on the London South Western. There was inside doors either way, to keep the weather out, so that was one thing. But then the gates would be opened to allow the passengers to board and alight. Aren't they fine? Let's go in closer. Oh, I can hear our loco approaching. Let's go and watch it couple up and head off.